Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the system sensor SENSRDR sensitivity reader. This is a piece of equipment, this is a specific piece of equipment. This is used on the System Sensor i3 series, reads sensitivity of all i3 series detectors, displays sensitivity in percent per foot obscuration, eliminates the need for a voltmeter or a multimeter, operates on 2 AA batteries, and will have a shutdown after 30 minutes if you leave it turned on. There is a link to the manual down below. There's actually at least 2 copies of the manual. One's a little bit newer than the next one. And this video is going to show you the unit. And we're going to power it on. A couple of AA batteries are required, not included. I have a couple on my desk that I'm going to insert. Then we'll go over the installation instructions, or the user manual. I want you to hold that down for 2 seconds to get it to turn on. Okay. Obviously it's firing ready. Okay. So at least we know that works. Let's leave that aside. So there is a link below this video to the data sheet, which is handy to look at. It's really just a cut sheet from the factory. It's an overview of the system sensor device. We're going to go over all that information in the manual. It's called 2006 manual because it's the most current version, or at least it's the version that shipped with this current unit. So the general description of this item is that it is a battery-powered device which is equipped with an infrared optical interface for reading data automatically sent by the smoke detector every 10 seconds. The SENSRDR, the device, decodes the sensitivity and status data and displays the information on its LCD display. This can be used either as a handheld device or with a threaded extension pole. Okay, obviously don't have any i3 detectors here, otherwise would probably be on a ladder with a camera. Before using this unit, the unit sensitivity reader is a tool to measure the sensitivity of i3 smoke detectors, as well as 100 series conventional smoke detectors. Only models 2151 and 2151T manufactured after April of 2006, but it cannot be used on the 200, 300, 400, 500, or 800 series detectors. And you'll want to hang on to this manual. The sensor is designed to assure that each smoke detector is within its listed and marked sensitivity range as outlined by NFPA 72. The SENSRDR cannot, however, initiate a detector sensor alarm. Sensitivity testing shall not be used as a substitute for smoke entry testing. The operation is that you're going to turn the reader on by depressing and holding the button for approximately 2 seconds until the reader sounds. The LCD display will show ready. The ready status indicates that the SENSRDR is ready for accepting data from an i3 series smoke detector. Place the reader by the smoke detector being tested. Position the reader at an angle on the oval area, or at the chamber opening by the word paint. And that's according to figures 1 and 2, and we do have the installation instructions, which is what I'm referring to. Position sensor at an angle over the oval area, at the chamber opening by the word paint. And that's the positioning of what the unit's going to look like. Moving on with the installation instructions, hold the reader in this position for up to 10 seconds because of the 10-second cycle of the detector itself. Until the reader sounds and the reader's red LED illuminates. If the reader does not sound after 10 seconds, verify that the reader is properly positioned and that the LCD display is ready. The LED and sounder indicate a valid reading is received. The reader will automatically display two results. The first is a percent per foot obscuration measurement, which is displayed for approximately 3 seconds, followed by a textual status indication. The reader will continue to display both of the results for 30 minutes or until you've reset the unit. Figure 1, Figure 2 we've gone over. To measure the sensitivity of the next detector, reset the reader by momentarily pressing the button. And then you're going to say ready again, and then repeat steps 2 through 4. When finished, turn it off by holding it down for 2 seconds. You've got some status indications, good, service, or replace. That's obviously going to be referring to the unit itself. But it might read low battery, low bat, if that's if it's time to replace the batteries. And it does have a 30-minute auto shutoff when not in use. To turn off the reader, press and hold the button for approximately 2 seconds or until the reader sounds. Okay. Warranty, etc. is information also located on the back of the unit. Now, finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the system sensor products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. And this video is really to serve as visual evidence of the device, dimensional evidence of the device. About 7 1/4, 7 1/8. Overall width, about 1 5/8 inches. Overall thickness is about 1 inch. If you have any questions on the system sensor SENSRDR, i3 smoke detector, sensitivity tester, or any other i3 system sensor related product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.